The very first draft was created in Illustrator, and then bringing all this stuff in After Effects with a very simple animation.
Welcome to Behance Narrated. We called the animator behind this set of moving record covers. Here's Rocco Dipoppa.
This is a self-initiated project to dedicate a different looping artwork to a different song. In this case, the very first draft was created in Illustrator, and then I started to create just putting a layer with the plastic bag, and then bringing all this stuff in After Effects with a very simple animation in the end. I wanted to create something that was apparently simple, but at the same time, decent degree of sophistication that actually made this product elaborate enough. And there's no money around, I can be a little more free. And something very important is also framing all the various elements inside these plastic mock-ups. The plastic cases are just like some transparent PNGs, but in case of the CDs, they are just like properly made mock-ups with smart objects, which is probably one of the functions that I really love about Photoshop. This season here was awarded, of course, by Behance in the motion design category, but then it was also shared on, I think, quite a number of inspirational platforms, such as Moodly or Typetopia, and so it actually started to explode.